Today, I'm issuing an executive order to stop mass gatherings of more than 100 people across our state.
With coronavirus cases on the rise in North Carolina, the governor and educators announced new steps to prevent the spread of the illness. Good evening and thank you for joining us. I'm Maggie Newland. Governor Roy Cooper just issued an executive order closing schools across the state for the next 2 weeks and prohibiting mass gatherings. This comes as Wake County health officials announce a teacher who works at Fuquay-Varina Elementary School tested positive for the illness. Mackenzie Stasko attended the governor's news conference and joins us live from the Joint Information Center in Raleigh. Mackenzie?
Yeah, Maggie, well, this pandemic changing the way of life for everyone. As you mentioned, Governor Cooper issuing that executive order closing all public schools in North Carolina on Monday for at least the next 2 weeks. In addition to that, all mass gatherings with more than 100 people will all have to be canceled. That means concerts, events, weddings, church services with more than 100 people will all have to be put on hold. And that, of course, means a lot of people out of work and hurting financially. However, we do want to mention this will not impact bars, retailers, or restaurants. Governor Cooper acknowledged the hardships that this will cause for workers and parents, but says it's what's needed for the state to get a handle on this situation. And when it comes to those school closings, the governor says this had nothing to do with the Fuquay-Varina Elementary School teacher who just tested positive for the virus. Today, we're told that case was from direct contact, not community spread. I asked if students at that school will be tested, but did not get a straight answer, just that health officials are trying to identify people who had close contact with that teacher.
Number one, we have not had community spread as of yet, and that's a good thing. All of the positives so far have been with some direct contact. Secondly, we are seeing increased anxiety, fear, from parents, from teachers, from superintendents across our state. We're seeing a patchwork of schools beginning to adjourn, to let out their schools. We had some parents keeping their kids from school. We need a period of time here to assess the threat of COVID-19 and to make sure we have a coordinated statewide response to deal with the fallout that comes when you don't have children in school. And we are very aware of those things. And so when you think about the public health of children, if you have one school system that is out and another one that's not, and then another one that lengthens spring break, then it's hard to have a coordinated response to dealing with the fallout from not having school. And I think, you know, we've consulted people in other states. We see that this period of time to figure out where we are is important. As I said earlier, I mean, hindsight is 20/20, and I think we don't want to be looking in the rearview mirror and regretting not doing this.
Now, the governor says he has formed an education and nutrition group to come up with some sort of plan to provide meals for all of those students across the state who will not be in school or in the classrooms for at least the next 2 weeks. No set timeline for when they will come up with that plan to provide meals for all of those children. And as of today, North Carolina has at least 24 confirmed cases of COVID-19 in 12 counties across the state. Health officials today saying they expect that number to rise. Live in Raleigh, Mackenzie Stasko, CBS 17 News.
Thank you, Mackenzie.